Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Aldi. I don't know about you, but I live for grocery hauls. I love seeing what people eat. I love seeing what people buy, especially from Aldi for some reason. Might be from my obsession with Aldi because I love everything they have and want to buy everything they have, and they have such good like healthy options. I don't know. But to preface the video, I just got back to school from like a long weekend. So I literally just got back to school like a little bit ago. I don't even know the time. I didn't even stop at my apartment to drop everything off first. I just went immediately shopping, and then I unpacked like 10 loads of things from my car because I brought so much back for some reason. I'm literally, someone help me. And then I had my therapy appointment that less than an hour. So literally all of this and like my groceries sat out for like an hour. But I didn't want to put them away without showing you guys what I got first. So let me just show you what my kitchen currently looks like. Are you ready? Dude, I don't think you're ready. Like, I don't think you're ready, to be honest. Oh my god. I had about like 15 minutes to carry all of this in from the parking garage to here all by myself. Like, there's just so much. Those are like a bunch of balloons, and like just this is what I'm dealing with, you know? Oh my god. You know, like you train your whole life, like when your mom asked you to like carry groceries and you put like 20 on your arm. That's how I unpack my car. I had a workout. I feel like I had a full-on workout from this because, oh my god, it's so big. Oh. So I've actually been really into gut health lately because I see all about it on TikTok, and my favorite like podcaster YouTubers always talk about gut health, and I just like don't pay attention to it because I'm like, I don't even know what that means. But I listened to like 4 hours worth of podcasts on it on the way here, and so I was determined to get more vegetables, which I already eat a lot of like fruits and vegetables, but I eat like the same ones. So it's like important to like branch out, try different colors of vegetables, different types of vegetables, switch it up so your body's getting like different things in your gut rather than like the same 3 vegetables you always eat. At me, I eat the same things every day. So that was my goal. I mean, I definitely do get a lot of vegetables every time just because I like them, but this time I got like a few more than usual. Anyways, without further ado, this is what I got from Aldi. Okay, first off, I got baby spinach and arugula. This is game changing. I put it in my pasta and in my eggs, and like the arugula just adds the like flavor that you didn't know you needed. I also got 2 cucumbers. I want to start doing like a detox water in the morning, and I also put this like on toast, and there's just a lot of uses for them. Okay. Another type of lettuce, the mixed greens, because I want to eat more salads. I ate a salad last night after feeling lethargic all day long, and I had a huge salad that my mom made. I felt like I was the king of the world, like I could do anything in the world. I was zooming, doing homework, replying to texts after like hours. I was living life, so I'm trying to eat more salads, okay? Okay. Next, I got these tomatoes. Artisan series, I don't really know. I usually just get red cherry tomatoes, but again, apparently all these like gut specialists tell you to try new colors of vegetables because apparently the color matters. So I'm like, okay, I'll throw some yellow tomatoes in there. And then also like to go with like the detox water, it's kind of like celery water, celery juice, something, but not that. It's like cucumber. Oh my god, I forgot. Apple cider vinegar. It's like cucumber, pineapple, and apple cider vinegar, and hella water in the morning. So I got 2 pineapples, and also just because it's my like favorite fruit, I got 2 boxes of tricolor rotini because tricolor rotini is just my favorite type of pasta. You can't convince me otherwise. It's like tomato and spinach macaroni. I'm just like, okay, it adds a little fun, you know? This part I'm really excited about, and I'm gonna make this right after, but I got garlic naan bread. Usually I just get plain like naan breads or whatever, but I saw garlic and had to do it to them. So usually I just put like pasta sauce or pizza sauce on this, and cheese and tomatoes and spinach and arugula, and then some like seasoning like crushed red pepper, and then I just make my own pizza. So I think the garlic will be really good. And then like to go with this or the Rotini pasta, I got vodka sauce, and I've never tried this one, but I love vodka sauce, so might as well try it, you know? I got avocados because when have you ever seen me not eating an avocado? That's just unheard of. Okay, next I got a bunch of lemons. I literally have a whole thing of these in my fridge as well. I just put lemons in every cup of water I drink because I have gotten to the point where I cannot drink water without it. So I need these every time I go to the store. Along with lemons, I got some limes. I usually am not a lime person, but I'm turning 21 this week, and apparently I've learned that my new favorite drink is, this is another thing I got, sparkling water or whatever it is. LaCroix. I got the Raz cranberry version. Apparently, allegedly, people have told me that sparkling flavored water, limes, and lime juice, and vodka are the go-to drinks. This is what I got for the weekend, so I'm gonna be having a fun time out there, you know. Just kidding, I won't go crazy, but you know, do a little sipping, it'll be fun. Oh, if you've been watching for a while, you know that this is my baby. I was like looking forward to this moment on the whole car ride because my family doesn't get oat milk. It's been like a week without her, and I'm about to like chug this when I'm done recording. I don't need you guys to see that. That's just embarrassing. We're going on to the second bag now. Obviously, my go-to bread, it's called Seedtastic 21 whole grains and seeds bread. It is to die for, actually. I've been getting this for like a year or two now, and I do everything with it. Make garlic bread for my pasta, avocado toast, sandwiches, whatever you use bread for. This is a necessity, okay? And then I got a bunch of garbanzo beans or chickpeas because they're only 50 cents. And like you could do so much with them, especially now that I really do not eat meat. I need that extra like protein and like things. So I just went crazy so I don't have to restock anytime soon. I'm almost done, I swear. Next I got blueberries to go like with yogurt or in smoothies and stuff. And then 2 cartons of eggs because I go through them like crazy, and I'm planning on making like cookies or a cake. So there's that. I have also been getting these for a while. They're the Veggie Burger made with 11 vegetables. Actually, I usually get the quinoa, like spicy quinoa crunch ones that are bomb, but I wanted to like go back to my origins and just get the plain old Veggie Burger. And I also got these Kung Pao Broccoli thingies. It's marinated in sweet and spicy ginger sauce. So I love baked broccoli, so I am about to eat this right now as well. Sprite for my friends when they come over. And then they didn't have like Pepsi things, so I got this like knockoff Coca-Cola or something. So that's usually like what I get from the store. I obviously love cereal and like granola bars. I already have some cereal and granola bars in there. I swear I eat carbs like a lot, but a normal week, this is what it looks like. I just think it's fun to see, and I love sharing things like this with people. That's why I make YouTube videos, because I think it's so fun and love it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and are inspired to go to Aldi and get your own lime LaCroix mixie or something like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.